Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Explained. Today I'll guide you the easiest way to set time and date on Casio G-Shock GA2100 model watch. Also I will help you to align hour and minute hands. But before moving to the video, if you are new in this channel, do subscribe. Now let's get started. Now you can see in my watch, in digital time it is 2:46, but in analog it's different. Now let's arrange it. But before moving towards arrangement of hour and minutes hand, you have to arrange this chronograph showing days of a week. Let's arrange this at first. To arrange this, you have to press left side top button for a while. After you pressing this button for a while, you will hear beep sound for twice. Once and twice. Now, you can see here the chronograph is pointing towards Sunday. If it is not pointing towards Sunday, you have to press right side down button one by one so that you could rotate this chronograph and set this exactly towards Sunday. So if you want to go faster, hold this right side down button. It will go faster, and again to stop it, use this same button. Then it will stop that chronograph. But I'm pressing one by one so that it could be easy for me. Now, as you see here, I have adjusted this chronograph exactly towards Sunday. After this step, now it's time to arrange hour and minute hand. To move towards that step, you have to press left side down button. Now you can see here hour and minutes hand have started moving. What you have to do is here, you have to exactly stop when it reaches 12 o'clock. Now it's almost near. To stop that, you have to press right side down button. Let's go more closer. Okay. If you press right side down button, it will stop this. Now let's press one by one. You have to exactly make 12 o'clock. This is how you align chronograph showing days of a week and hour and minutes hand. Let's arrange this at first. Press it one by one. Okay, now this is exactly towards 12 o'clock. After this step, you have to press left side top button. Then we'll go move towards arrangement of time and date. Now as you see here, it is here 2:49 and this hour and minutes hand have already adjusted itself. Now to arrange time according to your location, you have to press again left side top button for a while. You will hear beep sound for once. Okay. Once you hear beep sound for once, you have to select your capital city. As you see here, here is Kathmandu. To move forward and backward, you have to use this right side down button and top button. Let's go ahead. Select your capital city. As you see here, there are different capital cities showing here on the display. To go backward, you have to press right side top button. If you press right side top button, it will go backward. If you press right side down button, it will go ahead. So after selecting your capital city, simply press left side down button. Now you can see here, the another function is showing turned off. Let's keep this as it is. Now again press left side down button. This is the hour format. Currently it is showing 12 hour format. To change it, press right side down button. See, simply pressing this, you can change the hour formats. I want to keep this 12 hour format as it is. Now to move towards another function, again press left side down button. Now here you can see here the seconds is popping up. Now to make it 0, press right side down button. You can see here, whenever I press right side down button, it makes it 0. Now after arranging second, to move towards minute, again press left side down button. Here you can adjust hour. To go forward and backward, you can use right side top button and down button. To go forward, press right side down button. Simply like this. And to go backward, press right side top button. After arranging hour, to move towards minute, you have to press left side down button. Here you can do the same to arrange time. Right side top button to go backward, right side down button to go forward. So in this way you can adjust hour and minutes. Now let's move towards arrangement of date. To do that, again you have to press left side down button. You can see here, I can select years. Press right side top button to go backward, right side down button for forward year. Now again press left side down button to arrange months and days. The month is popping up. To go backward, press right side top button, 10, 9. To go forward, press right side down button. In this way you can go ahead. After selecting months, To adjust days, again press left side down button. Here you can do the same steps to arrange the time. As you see here, in this way you can adjust the time. Now again press left side down button after you adjust date. Again press left side down button to go towards another function. Let's keep this all function as it is. And now press left side top button. This will automatically adjust date, time format, hour and minute hands according to the digital time. Now as you see here, in digital time it is showing 6:12. In analog time also it is showing now 6:12. So if you find this video helpful little bit also, please subscribe to my channel. I work hard a lot to create different watch related tutorial videos. If you subscribe us, it will motivate and support me to bring new videos more. Thank you very much for watching till the end.